Hi everyone, welcome to Cock Channel. Today we're making this beautiful rose. Let's get started. This rose has 4 layers of petals. For the first layer, divide 1 light pink pipe cleaner into 3 pieces. For the second layer, cut 2 pale yellow pipe cleaners in half. For the third layer, trim 5 light green pipe cleaners to 2/3 of their length. For the outer layer, prepare 5 full-length light blue pipe cleaners. Now let's make the petals. Bend a small hook at one end. Roll it into a spiral like this. When about 2 to 3 centimeters remains, thread it through the center. Hook it, tighten it, and adjust the shape. Make all the petals the same way. When making the larger petals, be patient, because they can easily come loose. Once the petals are finished, make the leaves. Measure about 2 finger joints and fold it. Then bend it to the right. Thread it through the opening below. Pull it through and tighten. Bend it to the right again. Thread it through the opening on the right. Pull it through and secure it. Adjust the leaf shape. Pinch the tip to make it pointed. Make 3 leaves in total. Wrap floral tape around the leaf stems. After wrapping, join 2 leaves together. Leave a short stem when joining them. Now it's time to assemble the flower. First, glue on the 3 light pink inner petals. Next, attach the pale yellow petals. Pinch the base firmly as you work. Then glue on the light green petal layer. Stagger each layer carefully. Each layer should overlap the previous one. Finally, attach the light blue outer petals. Stagger this layer as well. Adjust the flower shape. Pinch the base tightly and wrap the floral tape. Wrap about 6 centimeters down the stem. Then attach the leaves in a staggered arrangement. When attaching the leaves, leave a short stem at the base. Continue wrapping with floral tape. And that's it. Your dopamine rose is complete. Now for the most important step, coloring. Color the inner pink petals a vibrant pink. Add a small touch of color to one corner of each yellow petal. Leave the light green petals uncolored. Finally, color the light blue outer petals. Your gorgeous dopamine rose is now finished.